Is your furnace or boiler no longer working? Here are some tips to keep you toasty and prevent further damage to your home. First things first, make sure to take preventative measures to keep your pipes from freezing. Slightly turn on a faucet to a drip to have water constantly flowing through your pipes. On top of that, get insulation wrap for exposed pipes. After that, it's about staying warm until you can get your furnace or boiler up and running. There are common solutions like wearing extra layers, covering yourself in blankets, or using a space heater. But here are 3 creative tips you might not have thought of. The name of the game is heat conservation. Keep the heat where it's needed the most by sectioning off your house and closing doors to conserve heat in the rooms you're using the most. To keep the draft from coming in, cover your windows with insulation wrap and a heavy curtain, as well as cover the crevice under your door with cloth or draft stopper. For the future, look to new insulated doors and windows for a more permanent and aesthetically pleasing solution. And since I've teed it up, check out our sister company, Building Envelope Experts. They are the leading professionals in building science. Too cold to sleep? Fill a water bottle with hot water and go to bed with it. It's the coziest bedtime companion since teddy bears. But overall, there's nothing to stress about when you call Vogel Heating and Cooling. We often make sure to get your furnace or boiler up and running within 24 hours. Call Vogel Heating and Cooling today to be stress-free and comfortable as soon as possible.